What's up YouTube? For this video, I thought I'd provide a quick visual as to how to style the Nike Pegasus Premiums. In hand, I have the Anthracite / Pure Platinum colorway. I don't want to bore you with a detailed review of the shoe. There are plenty of other videos out there that have done that already. So this video will be focused more on the styling aspect of these shoes. So this will be more of an aesthetic type of video. Hopefully this video will provide some inspiration or outfit ideas as to how to style these shoes in particular, give you some on-feet reference, and I'm going to put together a couple of outfits that I plan on rocking with these shoes. So with that being said, let's get into it. Alright, this first outfit is a loungewear / very casual style outfit. Up top, I'm rocking a crew neck sweater. It's a vintage Disneyland sweater. It's a washed black sweater with a faded gray graphic. For the shorts, I'm rocking some sweat shorts from Lululemon. I believe they're called the textured double knit shorts or something like that, but they are in this heathered black colorway. And as for the socks, I am rocking some crew socks, but the crew socks are in this kind of faded blue / navy colorway. So of course for the top, you can really go with any sort of black / dark gray long sleeve shirt or sweater. I decided to go with the Disney sweater because just something very chill and casual. As for the shorts, again, you can also find a basic, cheaper alternative sweat short. I'm sure every single brand out there carries one. And as for the socks, I did go with the blue socks just to add a little hint of color and to try to go with that anthracite color on the shoes. Alright, this next outfit is an activewear / exercise style outfit. Up top, I just got on a navy blue workout shirt. As for the shorts, these shorts are also from Lululemon. Of course, as you can tell by now, they make some of my favorite shorts. But these are the THE shorts in a light gray colorway. Underneath the shorts, I'm rocking some running leggings that are from Nike. I found them at an outlet some time ago. And yeah, the light gray shorts do contrast this whole outfit a little bit. I feel like they do stand out, but I was just trying to go with the 3M hits both along the leggings as well as the shoe itself, just for those silver / reflective hits. And of course, technically, given that these are running shoes, I thought I'd put together a running outfit just for your reference so you can see what they look like put together a running style outfit. Alright, this next outfit is an office attire / semi-casual outfit. Up top, I have a polo shirt from Uniqlo in this darkish gray colorway. And then as for the pants, I got on the Lululemon pants. These are called the Slim Fit ABC trousers, and these pants are in this light gray / blue colorway, which actually was a perfect fit for these shoes. So I just had to put this together for anytime I go into the office or into the clinic. This will be a fit I'll be definitely rocking at work. So this next fit is more on the casual side of things, more for going out. Up top, I am rocking a corduroy shirt from Zara, and as for the pants, I'm pairing it with some dark indigo jeans from Levi's. As you can tell with most of my fits so far, given that these shoes are on the darker end, I like to go with the darker monotone style outfits. So I like this dark gray corduroy from Zara. Technically you can go with the white undershirt, but again, I like the dark monotone vibe. As for the dark indigo jeans, you really can't go wrong with any dark jeans. These are the 512s, I believe. And yeah, I just thought it was just one of those casual outfits that I'll probably be rocking more in the evenings. Alright, this next fit is also a very casual but a little more sporty outfit. Up top, I'm rocking a black utility windbreaker jacket from Uniqlo. And as for the pants, these are the Nike Sportswear commuter pants in a light gray colorway. The thing I like about this fit in particular is that both the jacket and the pants have wind and water resistant properties. So this is totally an outfit I'll be rocking in the fall and winter, and definitely when the weather gets cooler. They're both very simple pieces as well, nothing too out there if at all. The jacket has no branding, but I do like the oversized fit. The pants, of course, made by Nike to match the shoes. Gotta keep it Nike consistent, of course. But yeah, a very simple and sporty outfit that just about anyone can pull off. So hopefully this video provided you a good idea on how these shoes look on feet, as well as some inspiration on how to style these sneakers in different ways, particularly if you plan on rocking these casually. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What are your thoughts on this Nike model? Are you a fan of it? Do you have a pair already? Or if not, do you plan on getting them eventually? I'd love to hear about it, so sound off in the comments below. And if you made it this far in the video, please do me a huge favor, hit that like button, it'll help me out a lot, and consider subscribing for more content on style, sneakers, and science. While you're at it, check out my other related videos here or here. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.